Hi, today I'm going to show you this GEOPAI microwaveable heating pad. So as you can see here, there's this clover-like design, so the heat is evenly distributed, and here's this side that is also pretty soft. This heating pad is soft throughout and is nice for going in the microwave and making sure that it gets warm and nice all around. That helps soothe cramps. Now I'm going to put it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. Now it's nice and warm and ready to use. This GEOPAI microwaveable heating pad is an ideal gift for anyone.
Thanks for listening and watching our video.